items with ease using the COSORI Premium Vacuum Sealer. From dry goods to fresh foods, you'll find many ways to save space in your kitchen. Start off by measuring the size of your bag with the included bag roll. Cut the roll at the desired length with a built-in bag cutter, then seal one end of the bag. Place your food into the bag and place the bag opening inside the vacuum chamber. Press the vacuum seal button to remove all of the air from the bag. Once your bag has been sealed, open the lid and remove the bag. The Premium Vacuum Sealer comes equipped with several features for different types of food, or package dry goods so that they can last up to a year in the pantry. The gentle pressure setting allows you to vacuum delicate items like bread, pastries, fresh fruits. You can even marinate foods with a vacuum sealer. Simply connect the included container with the hose, place your food and marinate in the container, and press marinate. It's that easy. When it's time to cook your food, use the built-in corner cutter to easily open your bags. The COSORI vacuum bags are safe for cooking sous vide, so you can savor all the flavor with each bite. You'll also be able to create more storage space outside of the kitchen by vacuum sealing seasonal clothing items and decorations. Enjoy fresher foods and more storage space with the COSORI Premium Vacuum Sealer.
Easy way to enjoy your health life. GERYON Vacuum Sealer offers you the option to vacuum seal or only heat seal a bag. Firstly, select the correct sealing settings. Choose normal and dry for most food. Choose gentle for delicate food, moist for juicier food. You can also touch stop button when in vac sealing process. It will immediately halt the current function. Seal. The seal option is used to close packaged foods such as chips or cookies that you may not want to vacuum seal. The seal-only option is an easy short-term bag closure too. Vac seal draws air out of the bag and automatically changes operation to seal the bag after vacuum is completed. It also comes with an accessory port feature and can preserve food with vacuum canister, and compatible with wine stoppers. You can take off the upper lid to clean the vacuum chamber and gaskets easily and safely. Store your vacuum sealer in the unlocked position to prevent compression of the foam sealing ring.